Well, people, this is the next car, the Guatemala Kid. It's a 67 RS 4-speed car. It doesn't run, or they claim it used to run. Just got here the other day from Guatemala. So, looks, the body's not too bad. And the interior's been gone through by somebody. There's the dash. Unfortunately, you know, the wiring and stuff under here looks kind of bad, and looks kind of bad in the engine compartment too. Well, here's the engine compartment. Something funky going on with this air cleaner. Kind of crushed it. Got headers. Got an old MSD. Looks like the radiator threw up one time. These hideaway doors are somewhat functional. I don't know. We don't have a battery, so we'll have to discover how they work or don't. Here's some more lovely wiring going on back here, and kind of a rat's nest back there too. So anyway, this is our next victim. Wish us luck.